Hello guys, welcome to another video of Matlab coding. Today we will discuss on a very interesting topic, which is object detection in the Matlab. Now we will detect the face of any picture with an algorithm in Matlab. Like we will box out this portion of the face, this portion. Okay. Now see it in Matlab. I have made a ready-made program on this topic with the function f store the Vision.Cascadeobjectdector function. This function is used to this function is a computer vision algorithm. Okay, this function is used to detect the objects from a picture. Okay, the image is image I have stored in image. If you don't know how to store an image in Matlab, then you could check the description where I will drop a link of my video. You could check this how to import image in Matlab. This the D will contain the step function. The step function is a function which processes the input data of the object algorithm and process this to with the image. Okay, f is the input algorithm and image is the input data. Sorry, f is the algorithm and image is the the step function will process the image with the f. Okay, then it will produce the it will detect the face. Now I am show image. This will show the image. There is a for loop to make the rectangle perfectly. Rectangle is a function which used to make a rectangle. The position will show the position of the rectangle. Okay, line width is 1, line style is colon, edge color is blue, and we will hold up this. Now run it. Okay, now we're gonna run it. You could see this. The picture is here. You could see this. The box out the face. I think you could see better if I increase the line width. Okay, let's make it true 2, and if I now it's better. The face is boxed out. Okay, the face is boxed out. You could see this. Now if we do it we can do it also in using cam. Now I'll use cam. This cam is webcam. I have made another video on how to install webcam. You could check this also. I will drop the link in description. I will take a snapshot. Okay, snapshot of cam, and let's clear the cam. Now I'm gonna run this. Oh, I've made a spelling mistake. SNAP snapshot. Now it okay. I have to clear the camera. Okay, now it will run. You could see the it boxed out my face from my picture. Okay, this is the with this algorithm we could detect we could detect the face of face from a picture, which is used in some kind of security system, and we could use this on face recognition systems and some other field of medical medical technology. Now for today, goodbye. We will continue another we will make another video on the how to detect object from hazard picture. Like if you in a table, we will put some objects and we will detect a specific object from the picture of those objects. Okay, we will continue this video from we will make this video from my next video. Okay, for today it's goodbye.